Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to automatically add borders in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So we can manually add a border to any Excel range. We enter some data, select the entire row or several rows, click the All Borders button and select All Borders. And you will have to do this every time a new entry is added to the table. But let's look at the automatic method. We select the required range of cells, or we can select the entire columns. Next, click on Conditional Formatting, a new rule, and in the window that opens, click on Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we type this formula. Using this formula, we check if the cell is empty, and if not, then a border is added. Great, now click on Format, Border, and select the outline. Click OK and OK again. Now, if a new entry appears in the table, then the border appears automatically. And if there is no data, then the border is deleted. And that's it. Now in Ultimo,